Hello everyone. So welcome to the next video of this topic, that is applying the operations on data. So till now we have seen how we can merge the data and how we can concatenate the data, right? So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can map the data. Fine. So what is mapping? Mapping is that you have something in the form of key, something in the form of value. So this value is for my this particular key, so that is what is mapping. Okay, that is, you can say, correlating up. Okay, in simple terms, if we see. Fine. So let's start with how to do it. Again, first of all, import, then import pandas as pd, then from pandas import series and data frame. Okay, so now first let's make a data frame. df is the name of my data frame. Data frame, and then in this let me take something like, say, city. Okay, we are taking, let's say, city. So let's say any okay, let me give xyz the name of the city. Okay, xyz1 is the name of the first city, then xyz2 is the name of the second city, and then xyz3 is the name of the third city. Okay, these are three cities. Now let's say next is the population in the cities. Okay, the population in the cities. Let's say, then, and then. Okay, so what have we done till here? We have made a data frame which is comprising of cities x1, y1, xyz1, xyz2, xyz3. Okay, and then we have given the respective populations in them. Okay, so first let's see how it looks like this. Okay, so now let's make another thing like state map equal to xyz1 is, let's say, a. Okay, then xyz2 is equal to, let's say, b, and then xyz3, let's say, is c. Okay, now df this state df in this state, okay, equal to df city. Okay, dot map state map. Okay, now if I say df, now see what are we getting. Okay, so this is how we have done the mapping. Now let me explain you in detail once again. See, this is first the data frame that we have made. Okay, in which you have added what? The city and the population, two columns. Okay, so this is a data frame that we have created in which we have given two columns, that is city and population. Now in my city and population, I'm having three cities, xyz1, xyz2, xyz3. So three cities I'm having, and then population also I have given randomly. Okay, like this is a first data frame. In the second thing. Now in the state map, what we are doing, we are mapping here actually. Okay, here you are doing the first step of mapping, that is xyz1 should have my state A, xyz2 should have my state B, and xyz3 should have my state 3. This is what you are saying here. Okay, and now what you have done, you have created the mapping. Now you will be correlating the things like df state is equal to df city dot map state map, that is df state, okay, is equal, this is a new thing. Okay, this is just a variable, don't get confused with it. Okay, so df city dot map df state map, that is df city, that is this city, that is these three things xyz 1 2 3 should be mapped to my state map. Now what is state map? State map is these values that it is holding. Okay, so a b c respectively you are getting. Okay, so this is what is mapping, that is first you have created some data frame or table, and after that you are mapping up the things, that is corresponding to this my this value should come, corresponding to this my this value should come, like that. Okay, like you can see here you have done xyz1 xyz2 xyz3 and population. This thing we have created before only. Now what we have done through this state map, we are saying that in my xyz1 a state should come, in my xyz2 b state should come, in my xyz3 c state should come. Okay, and then you are mapping up the things. Okay, so guys, this is what is mapping, and this is how you can do it in pandas. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.